Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the application for your headphone Sony on your iPhone. You have to start by open App Store and now go to the search. Click at the search line and write Sony. Now search and you should install this application. Now open it. Check. Then select your region and click Start. Agree. Agree. Ask not to track, but you can also allow it if you want to. Allow. Allow. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!